Hello again and welcome to Module 5, Balanced Scorecard Management System by Tonya Nicole Williams for CS 540 at the University of West Alabama. What is a balanced scorecard? The balanced scorecard is a management system. It's a way of businesses looking at their organization to focus on the big picture strategic goals. It also helps them choose the right things to measure so that they can reach those goals. The name balanced scorecard comes from the idea of looking at strategic measures in addition to traditional financial measures to get a more balanced view of performance. The balanced scorecard is a strategic planning and performance management framework used by business, government, and nonprofits to align day-to-day activities with enterprise vision, mission, and values. The balanced scorecard tracks financial and non-financial measures to determine the degree to which the enterprise is performing as desired and when corrective action is necessary. This is a visual to show you what a balanced scorecard, the process that it goes through. The system connects the dots between big picture strategy elements such as the mission or purpose, the vision, which is what is aspired for, the core values, what they believe in, and the strategic focus areas of theme, results, and/or goals, and the more operational elements such as objectives, which are the continuous improvement activities. Also includes measures or key performance indicators, also known as KPIs, which track strategic performance. It also focuses on targets, which are the desired level of performance, and it focuses on initiatives, which are the projects that help businesses reach their targets. The four-perspective view. The balanced scorecard suggests that we view the organization from four perspectives and to develop objectives, measures, targets, and initiatives relative to each of these points of view. First is financial. It's often renamed stewardship. This perspective views organizational financial performance and the use of financial resources. Next is the customer and stakeholder. This perspective views organizational performance from the point of view of the customer or other key stakeholders that the organization is designed to serve. Thirdly is the internal process. This views the organizational performance through the lenses of the quality and efficiency related to the product or services or other key business processes. And lastly is organizational capacity. It was originally called learning and growth. This views organizational performance through the lenses of human capital, infrastructure, technology, culture, and other capacities that are key to breakthrough performance. Strategic objectives. Strategic objectives are the continuous improvement activities that businesses must do to implement strategy. They must be able to break down more abstract concepts like mission and vision into actionable steps. Actions that business organizations should take to be helping them achieve their strategic objectives. Examples might include increase revenue, improve the customer or stakeholder experience, or improve the cost effectiveness of business programs. Next is strategy mapping. One of the most powerful elements in the balanced scorecard methodology is the use of strategy mapping to visualize and communicate how value is created by the organization. A strategy map is a simple graphic that shows a logical cause and effect connection between strategic objectives, which are shown as ovals on this graphic. Generally speaking, improving performance in the objectives found in the organizational capacity perspective, which are the bottom rows, enables the organization to improve its internal process perspective, which is the next row up, which in turn enables the organization to create desirable results in the customer and financial perspectives, which are the top two rows. Next, we will discuss measures or key performance indicators, also known as KPIs. For each objective on the strategy map, at least one measure or KPI should be identified and tracked over time. KPIs indicate progress toward a desirable outcome. Strategic KPIs monitor the implementation and effectiveness of an organization's strategies, determine the gap between actual and targeted performance, and determines organizational effectiveness and operational efficiency. Good performance indicators are provide an objective way to see if a strategy is working, offer a comparison that gauges the degree of performance change over time, focus employees' attention on what matters most to success, allow measurement of accomplishments, not just of the work that is performed, and provide a common language for communication. An additional one is to help reduce intangible uncertainty. Cascading. Cascading a balanced scorecard means to translate the corporate-wide scorecard. The organization alignment should be clearly visible through strategy, using the strategy map, performance measures and targets, and initiatives. Scorecards should be used to improve accountability through objective and performance measure ownership, and desired employee behaviors should be incentivized with recognition and rewards. Cascading strategy focuses the entire organization on strategy and creating line of sight between the work people do and high-level desired results. As the management system is cascading down through the organization, objectives become more operational and tactical, as do the performance measures. Accountability follows the objectives and measures as ownership is defined at each level. An emphasis on results and the strategies needed to produce results is communicated throughout the organization. This alignment step is critical to becoming a strategy-focused organization. To summarize, balanced scorecards can seem a little confusing at first, but they're really not that complicated. They include perspectives, which are broken down into 4 different perspectives. They also include strategic objectives. They include a strategy map, which is just a chart showing the relationship between strategic objectives. And they include measures, or KPIs, and each strategic objective should have at least 1 or 2 measures. And these are the references used in the creation of this PowerPoint. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next week.